Cold start is definitely cold. She is covered. Holy moly. I've been trying to get this thing to go. It's definitely cold out. Let's see what's going on here. Let me try this again. Come on, Grandpa. Nope, not enough. She almost had it. Look at that smoke over there. Come on. I had to give her some of that antique car quest starting fluid. Let's see if she'll do it. I doubt it. This truck is cold as my hands. Oh, please. Butterfly. Giving her a little boost. Come on, girl. Hurry up before my coffee freezes. Cry me a river. Well, let's try this again. Give her a little boost. Come on, girl. Come on. Nope. She's being stubborn. It's close. Well, I brought in the big guns. The old Milwaukee Power. Hopefully she goes. God. Darn it. Get in there. We're trying to frickin' start this. Look. You flop another. Here we go. Let's try this out. Woohoo! Stay running, stay running. Stay running. Get that on before we blow up. Burr. Well, she's running. I'm going to let this thing idle for forever because it takes forever to heat up. See ya.